how we're doing. Little side project that we're going to launch alongside our patterns and everything else that we're doing at the minute online. This is what's going to be called quick combinations. This is combination number 1, something for home practice, right down for beginner level. Okay, it's a front kick and a reverse punch, smushed together. I know that doesn't seem much of a combination, but we are starting basic, and then we'll build up. Okay, and it goes like this: rear foot, front kick. We're going to land forwards with it, and then opposite hand punch, reverse punch. Okay. This is more for our freestyle and our sparring. It is not how we do this in line. Obviously, when you do an inline front kick, it goes kick and back. There, because we do them on the spot for our formal kicking. But for this, we're going to go kick, land forwards, and reverse punch. Okay, so you can practice this on a bag. If you have a partner at home, you can do this. See, when we're back in normal classes with partners, etc. But we'll do 3 and 3, and then I'll make one little point at the end. Okay, so it goes rear leg kick, land, punch. Easy peasy stuff. Kick, land, punch. That front hand, you just stick it on your jaw, on your face, just a bit of cover, okay, on your kick. And swap feet, okay, so we go kick, down, and that front hand comes up. As we punch, we're just going to huddle behind it, so we've got a partial guard in case something like a back fist, a ridge or a round kick comes and tries to sneak us in the head, okay? Kick, punch. Easy peasy stuff. Kick, punch. Okay, and that's it. But like I say, this is for sparring and freestyle. Back leg kicks, bam, you drop it, punch. Okay, opposite hand to foot that kicked. Yeah, right foot kick, left hand punch. But that other hand is stuck to me. I don't want it floating anywhere. It's no good under my jaw or anything like that, because something can come over the top and someone hit me in the belly. It's not guarding anything. Okay, and most people are more precious about getting hit in the head, so I want to keep that hand high. Okay, that's quick combo 1, front kick punch, easy peasy.